case in our town, we are so sad that our share for our national wealth was never being given to us in a yearly basis. Our share for national wealth will only be given to our municipality the moment we will have to make a personal follow-up at the BIR and at the National Treasury. This might be I think this is not only a problem in our municipality, but some of the municipalities. Considering the fact that our municipality has a limestone, mining, parang may mina doon sa amin na limestone. And supposedly, we will be receiving the actual share of our national wealth. But the only thing is that the said national wealth hindi makakarating sa amin kung hindi kami gagawa ng paraan para pupunta doon sa national offices. Parang pulubi na namin para maibigay para sa LGU. Tapos yun Governor, ano ang dapat namin gawin so that parang alison para bang kiya sa ating ibang mga LGU.
Ang ating kabahagi sa natural resources natin, gusto ko lang sabihin, it's really different from our share in the collection of national taxes. In the collection of national taxes, the collection is very specific when it should be given, how much, and frequency. But unfortunately, when it comes to our share in the natural resources, incidentally, not all LGUs can share because not all the LGUs have limestone mining operation or any other operation. That one, the law gave the national government the authority to determine the details of when, how, and the computation basis. So that we have to follow. But still, in the Supreme Court decision, it's also mentioned that has to be given. It's also mentioned there.
Considering the fact that the mining company told us that they had been paying to the national offices with regards to the taxes. Now, we have an ordinance in our municipality demanding them of a collection of 20 pesos per cubic ton. But they refuse because according to them, it is a duplication of the paying the taxes paid because they have been paying to the national. That is the very reason why we are very parang galit na kami sa mina. Dahil yung bayan namin until now is a 4th class municipality. Considering that there are foreign vessels have been attacking to our town, buying the products of the limestone, but yet the municipality received nothing.
You are right. But we still have to follow sa collection ng national government. Pero you have to really dito talaga, ito naman ang trabaho ng ating pagkasama-sama ng association. At the same time, through the proper channels, dito talagang they are delayed, in other words. And the requirements are so much. Talagang ayaw bitawan ng national government yung pananalapi. Because nakahaluan ng ano. And they are following their own version of the golden rule. Alam naman yung ibig sabihin ng golden rule. he who has the gold rules. Kung sino, that's the golden rule. He who has the gold rules. So, pag nasa nagbabayad na yung mga korporasyon, so the money, the gold is with the national government. So, but they want to exercise their authority, their power. So, they follow the golden rule. Nasa amin to. So, that is already, of course, deficiency in good governance. But, ako lang, kakaiba ito